Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great barbecue recipe I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So let's get going and let's light the fire. Today we'll be grilling up this nice prime cowboy ribeye on the Weber kettle using the slow and sear. I'm going to hit this with some Pam oil and just salt and pepper and Lawrys to get a good classic flavor and get this grilled. And this is going to be great. We're going to go indirect until we reach internal to about 145 degrees, and then depending how fast and how does it look, I might put it on the coals and I might not. But here we are. We're just going to spray with some oil, some fresh ground black pepper, some Lawrys, and get this on the grill. This is a nice thick cut of beef, man. This is beautiful. Just make sure you get all sides. This is a lot of meat and you need some good seasoning to get this meat tender and get it nice and seasoned. Here I am lighting the Weber kettle with the slow and sear. Got a little bit of aluminum foil on the left for a quicker cleanup. We'll get these coals nice and hot and get the steak on indirect with the thermometer and let it come up to about 145 to 150. Here I am adding a piece of hickory for some flavor. Family, in the comments below, let me know how you guys like your steaks. Medium well, well done, medium rare, or rare. Comment below. I answer all my comments. Here we are. We have the steak on the grill, and it's I'm about to close it down, let this thing come up to temperature and get some good smoke and flavor on it. So what's the old saying of barbecue? If you're looking, you're not cooking. Here we are. We're about the hour mark, and this temperature is up. The steak is up to temperature, and what I'm going to do is just on the cold side, just put the steak on the coals, 30 to 40 seconds to each side to get a nice char. And then when you see me again, I'm going to be cutting it up on the cutting board after it's rested. Now it's time to cut the steak up. Man, it smells so good. I can't wait to get a taste of it. First thing I'm going to do is remove the bone, and then that'll leave me the large ribeye. I'm just going to remove the bone and cut the ribeye on a nice slant, nice angle, and man, get some good pictures, and then we're going to have dinner. This is very, very good steak. The steak was cutting like butter. Everyone, if you want to see more steak videos, comment below more steak videos. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for subscribing. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.